Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum has shown another great reaction to the yellow support region that we've been watching. And remember that we've been watching for a dip into support, then we had a reaction, but the reaction turned out not to be impulsive. Okay, markets are dynamic. And yep, we did get what we wanted from here, but the reaction was not really indicative of a third wave rally, right? So the idea was, okay, maybe wave one topped here around the 21st of July, or it's the D wave of a triangle. Technically, it doesn't make a great difference, or let's say practically, it doesn't make a great difference. Just technically, academically, it actually does make a bit of a difference. But from a practical point of view, the support area is the same. So in the white count, we were watching for the price to form a wave two. In the in the purple count, a wave E of a triangle in a wave four. But again, you know, in both counts, we're watching for trend continuation to the upside as long as we're holding the $2,956 level. And that's currently holding. So when we then saw the price rally nicely, but not impulsively, we put the trend line onto the chart, and the break of the trend line was a warning we could visit the yellow box again. That's happening. Now, earlier today, I shared with you that the move down looks so far like a third wave. So 3 waves down complete, yeah. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. And we need, shouldn't say we need another 4-5 pattern, but it would look best with another 4-5 pattern. And the idea is that we sort of, maybe get close to 2,956 to test it. But overall, it's the entire yellow box where we want a reversal. Bear in mind, I'm looking here at the 1 hour chart, a very fragile, let's say wave degree, you know, on this micro wave degree. But important is that the price reacted again to the golden ratio level, and it reacted where it needed to. Because earlier today, I shared an update in our gold membership, highlighting that was at around 7 p.m. today, UK time, that the price has formed a very healthy third wave to the downside. I think we pretty much caught the low there. Formed a very healthy third wave to the downside, and a move up in wave 4 is really needed, or the wave 5 could easily break below the support zone. So the wave 3 did really what it needed to do, and we've been watching for that wave 4, at least the wave 4. Maybe something more bullish, but the resistance area was communicated earlier today. Going back to the live chart, it is here defined between $3,188 and $3,249. So the price did already what it needed to do. The thing is, okay, what happens if we break above resistance? Well, if we break above resistance, again, remember, it's a bullish chart. The levels are more important than the wave count. So we only use the wave count to get to the levels. So if the price reacts to support, it's exactly what we want. But I can only tell you that at the moment the risk is still high for one more low in wave 5 of C. But if we break above resistance at 3,249, it indicates a wider ABC structure. So not that we do this, A, B, C, and we're done and then go, but instead a more protracted count. A wave down, and then the B wave is actually up here, and it would be A, B, C in wave B, then another move down, then we go. So again, it's the levels that matter. You know, the market can do what it wants, right? As long as we're holding, however, support, it is a bullish chart, and the 2,956 level ideally holds to keep that bullish perspective on the ETH chart. So if overnight or tomorrow we see a break above 3,249, then I would call that an extension of wave B, which I might actually highlight in yellow here so that we have that as a separate scenario. And then this would be A wave up, B wave down. B waves can slightly overshoot, no problem. And then C wave up. That's how we can see this. In the very, in a small time frame, this actually looks impulsive potentially. So yeah, it might be a wave 1 of wave C maybe. If we now hold a corrective pullback, then break out, this is likely wave C. And where could it get to? It could end actually around the area where the wave A topped, around 3,400. And that's because this swing low that formed today is just slightly below the low from the 25th of July. And because an A wave and the C wave tend to have the same length, we could end, around 3,400. Just an idea at the moment. Overall, this is just, I wouldn't stress too much about the micro counts. Just look at the levels and bullish against support. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.